the clicker's not engaging. Look at that. Or hold on. Ah, I didn't have enough drag.
Gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I gotta learn. I'ma call up the whole team.
This is your preset that controls your lever drag here. If you don't have enough drag on here for your clicker to actually grip it, it's not going to do anything. What I mean by that, if it's not creating enough drag to control your spool, it's not going to do anything. So again, right there, but watch. I'm in complete free spool. I'm going to back it off. Still got good enough. See, there's not enough drag to make the spool spin right there. So what I'm going to do, actually, there you go. But just a heads up, guys, that's how you control your drag, is with your preset there. And actually, with these, you can almost hear the click. You see.
And do you know when you come get it? Or?
There you go. You can hear the audible click now. So that and the clickers have improved since. Hey, what's up, guys? This is Team Hard Life Captain Alberto Zertuche, and I am excited. I'm really excited about this video because this has been a long time coming. Yes. So I've got to tackle in and got to unbox it. Let's see. Yes, that's why I never took up singing, because I suck. Stick to what I'm good at, and that's fishing. So, one thing we've been needing was some coated cable. So I got some 600-pound test right here. Got some more 400-pound test. Some more 6. And some more 4. And that's not what I've been waiting for. Definitely needed it, so I wasn't not totally excited about that. What I'm excited about is this stuff right here. Yes. This we've been waiting for. We've been working on it for over a year now, trying to get to where we could get it. And we finally did. And it's in. We are really, really excited about this one. I'm so stoked right now because it's been a long time coming for this. Yes! Our shirts are in. We've got, there's small. We got XL. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. XL. Awesome, right there. And we've got medium. XL. Got large right here. There we go. Got more large. Yep. And our next color, yeah, buddy. Yes, I'm gonna get them out first so we can see what colors we got, and then I'll get them opened up so y'all can see the full color of everything. So this is, like I said, we've been waiting a long time for this one. So these are extra small. Okay, so I need to go over this. Small. Here. Medium. Extra large. 3X. There you go. Got 2X and 4X. So, yeah, boys. We got the big boys. So that is one box right there. Yeah. And now we got our third shirt there. So that's medium right there. Large. Got 3X. 4X. Got some more about yeah, 2X.
Yeah, I think the shipping cable was stretched out or something. Like it's not busted. I think it's like because since I guess the way it's designed, I think it pulled out.
Oof.
Like the cable.
Yeah. It wasn't crimped right or something.
Something.
Yeah. Well, we were gonna go fishing, but my brother's truck won't go on the drive, so he's busy working on that. So I'm busy keeping working. So we got small. Extra large. Extra large. Extra small. Got 2XL. Got 4X in here. And 3X. So we've got a lot of shirts, guys, so. Oh, yeah. So we got.
I'll show you the t-shirt inventory.
Yes, sir. Finally. Here. 4X.
Hey, Junior.
Ah, man.
I came back from eating with my brother. Freaking taking my cable shifter, the one that goes on.
All right, guys. So as you can tell, we got a lot of shirts in. So we're gonna go ahead and get some hung up, just so we can get some inventory out there. But oh yes, an exciting day. So yeah, let me get some of my workers over here to give me a hand with this because it's a lot of gear.
beautiful thing about the clothing is it's an SPF 40 and it's a quick dry sublimated shirt, so you don't have to worry about any stickiness. And no fading. It's awesome. And kind of the proof is too, this shirt that I'm wearing, I've already had it for a couple of years now. And yes, this one's been through some major fishing over here. Most definitely got heartbroken. God, they look so awesome on film. They really bring out the color. Yeah.
Maybe more acres?
I don't think so.
Don't forget the hoodies. We got the hoodies too. Or beanies, should I say.